A lot of times I would say it's probably lack of information that you're giving the city. So if you're doing a whole home renovation and they expect you to provide a full set of plans that includes electrical, plumbing, 3D models, architectural engineering, and if you're missing something, then they won't give you the permit. So a lot of times I like to start off with writing a list or having a complete set of plans. And then once you submit it to the city will then give you corrections. You can work on those corrections, give them back, and then pull the proper permits. A lot of times when you don't get the permit, it's because you're lacking something or you're missing something, and you either need to have experience to be able to know what that entails, what that list that you submit to the city or that plan that you submit to the city entails. But most of the time, it's just lack on either the homeowner side or the contractor side that you're not giving the city enough information for them to be able to give you the proper permit.